Zenith, random team number 6. 4 boxes at its cheapest price, $38.99 per. Random team number 7 is in the store, the Blez store for sale. Let's hit some Contenders Optic previews. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's our first random of the day. Ten, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, 10 dice, 10 random. There we go. Let's groove. Oh, this is the last of the case. This is the end of the case. Fresh case for number 7. Fresh case for 7. Last auto guess for 25. Guess the last auto of the break for 25 bucks. Spectra and Prism Hobby coming up next with Illusions Unlimited. And then we're going to get NT going. We're going to have a day. Oh, there he is. You're all out there. You're just not talking to me. Vito Martini. Jakey. David. Uncle Nino. Matty Vaughn. Clubbed Up Guards. Lewis. You're all out there. You're just not talking to me. It's okay. It's a Saturday morning. I just want to see hits too. Maddie Fawcett. Hi, Maddie. Oh, and Clara is in with an unwinnable guess. Oh, God. Okay, you wanted to know how it is? Zach, take a look at this box. Box 1, Overshown rookie for Dallas. John Mechie to 50, artistic proof for Houston. Z-Team of the GOAT of Patty for Troy. And it's, oh God, it's number to 10. 10 of 10, Patty Mahomes Z-Team. Troy. Nice hit, Troy. Patty to 10. Wait, it gets better. This pack gets better. Zeal of approval for Troy and the Titans of Will Levis. Nice chrome. Second year auto to 199 for Paulie Kim and Washington. Jahan Dotson high point. And the RPA is ridiculous. To 299 with a great 2-color patch, it's our boy for Dallin and the Lions out of Alabama. It's the Gibbers. Look at that beautiful RPA. That's a $2.99 patch. Way to go, Panini. You're getting with it. You're getting with it. You're giving us better patches for the higher numbers. You're getting with the times. Hi, Soba. Remember, they don't put this product together great, so I have to kind of do these weird things. It's put together in a very odd way. Cam Smith rookie for Miami. Dimes to 50 for the Giants. Insert Crown Pacific of the new Packers running back. That sounds so weird. Josh Jacobs. But you know what? I have a feeling Josh Jacobs is not going to look weird running the ball for Green Bay at all. It's going to feel very natural. Class president insert of the best tight end on planet Earth. Travis Swift. One of the great wide receivers in Detroit Lion history. Herman Moore from the Barry Sanders days. RPA for the Bears and Dre. 288 Tyler Scott RPA. Oh, no way. No. Whoa. Wait, what? Oh my. Guys, I am a 49er fan. I'm a 49er fan. I'm a Lions fan. You know what I'm a fan of? Eddie, I'm a fan of whatever player you guys are collecting and hitting cards of. I'm a fan of you guys making money. Or hitting a hobby card for your personal collection. That is what I'm a fan of. If it fills out your rainbow collection in this hobby, if it fills out your PC collection for a player, if it's a card you're looking to hit to flip to make a bunch of money, that's the card I'm a fan of, and that's the player I'm a fan of. Can't be more honest than that. You're going to like this pack a lot. Lucas Van Ness. But yes, if you want to ask, I'm a Niners guy, Eddie. Watch this pack. Do you remember we're starting a new? Remember how we had the 1-of-1 streak? We're starting a new streak. We're starting a new streak, Blez family. You're about to see what it is. Micah for Dallas. We're starting a new streak. And it's the Shield streak. For Zach DeKoff and the Minnesota Vikings. 1-of-1 patch autograph NFL Shield tag of the great defensive back for the Vikings, Harrison Smith. Zach! Nice hit, dude. The stuff is good. I'm telling you. Obvious. Guys, we're on a shield. We're on a shield streak. We're starting a new streak, and it's a shield every day. It's going to be impossible to maintain, but we're going to try. But wait, here's the crazy part, guys. This box actually gets a hit that might be better. I'm not kidding. Zeal of approval, CD Lamb. Who's got the Chargers? Who's Dead Money? I've never seen that username before, Dead Money. Well, Dead Money is now Very Alive Money. Very Alive Money. How about in Los Angeles for the Chargers, they call this guy the franchise. Out of Oregon, he's a Duck. Herbie. You did, ZK. Well, he's going to be happy. Scott, he's going to be happy. That's a pretty dope freaking hit, man. I'm telling you, guys, when I tell you products are good, I'm not lying to you. How about this for a first break of the day? Sheesh. Oh, God. Oh, well, we'll see. There we go. We'll do it like this. Darnell Wright, rookie. Ooh, number /5. Sammy Howell. Why do I keep forgetting where he went? I don't know. I forgot who picked him up. It was the Vikings. I don't know. I forgot. Sam Howell /5. I forgot who picked his ass up. Run CMC. Zeal of approval. Seattle. That's right. He went to the Seahawks. I keep forgetting that. So many changes that I'm forgetting where everybody went. RPA for the Eagles. Tanner McKee. And we have another good autograph and another guy on the move. Probably the best fantasy football player, besides for Run CMC, we've seen in a long time. /50 autograph of the great Austin Eckler for dead money. He is a Commander now. He is now a Commander running back. He plays for Washington. This was a pretty good break, huh? And let's finish it off for Dallas and Knox. Uncle Nino, that's a gold, baby. Gold Z-Stars CD Lamb. /10 for Dallas. That card's actually really hot. I'm a buyer on that. I'm a buyer on this card. I'm a buyer. CD /10. This was a pretty damn good break. That's all, yeah. Other teams did well too, though. Will Levis, Sam Howell /5, gold /10 of CD. Best in the world /10, Patrick Mahomes. And the autos weren't too far behind. Herman Moore, Eckler, Dotson, Justin Herbert /50 autograph. That's unbelievable. RPAs, Tanner McKee, Tyler Scott, Jahmyr Gibbs for Dallin. And of course, there's no better way to start your morning than adding a NFL Shield Tag 1/1 auto to your collection. Beautiful. We already have an NFL Shield. Let's get into